of all, I would like to thank you all for supporting the channel, for your feedback, for your comments. We've just reached 200 subscribers. I appreciate that very, very much. It's so nice to see that my videos are being watched and that people enjoying the content in it. I hope I'm doing a good commercial for Scotland and for Highlands. Anyway, with that being said, let's get into today's episode. So now we are heading to Torrin. And that's James McQueen, so that could be the place actually where we will drop off the skip. Whoa! That's a big pothole. So yes, that's the place. What could possibly go wrong now? There we go. Now I'm going to put the empty closed skip back on the trailer. So we are leaving Isle of Skye right now, just coming to Skye Bridge, and now heading for Plockton. Normally I would go along the coast to get to Plockton, but because I have a trailer with me, I will have to go from the other side. Oh, my scammer is calling. Never mind. I don't like that hill. You cannot see much and these passing places are so narrow. I would prefer not to meet anyone coming down, especially when I have a trailer with me. That's a good place for it. I think that's the no, the widest, is that the word? The widest passing place on that hill. That's the moment when I really appreciate February, because if that would be a holiday season, then definitely I would meet some tourists, camper vans, you know, along the way. But the roads are empty. Got to go wide. Now, and that's why I could not go along the coastline, because I would come up here, and I think it could be quite tight to bring a trailer around on this bridge. I don't know if any of you tried that. Maybe if you go very wide, maybe, but I just didn't want to risk it. It's only maybe a mile longer, I would say, to go around from the other side. Now, where to drop my trailer? Now we have to turn around. Oh, there's a car coming. Right, so I dropped my trailer here. I picked up the empty one from the back and I left full one over here. And now we are going into the village to do first exchange. So this is Plockton, the village itself. Yeah, and there's a clear sign over here. Well, you know, if I would take a trailer around here, I would be on YouTube, but not, you know, on my channel, but as a one of these lorries, you know, like lorries fail compilation, something like that. So I'll just have to go back and forward, 2 exchanges, and then heading back to Fort William. So here we have our compound. Oh, there are some timbers. There is no access. Oh, right. I have to go and get someone to get these timbers out the way. So, boys from Compass, make a space. And in the meantime I dropped the empty closed skip over there, as you can see. That's the first one out the way. So I'm back in the lorry. It's time to get dry, and next stop, Fort William. And I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please consider a subscription or like. That would be great, that would be very appreciated. Stay between the verges and under the radar. I will see you on the next one.